if I hear No Name out there in Mobile, I'll definitely give him a shout. Hey, boy, Bob, put it on you later, man. You're sounding good as usual, my friend. Superman 633, flying to the overseas out of Big D, Dallas, Texas, and I'm gone. Trying to read your mail there, buddy.
That Bullet Bob is yelling for you. I heard that Bullet Bob out there by the bay jumping up and down and doing the James Brown, trying to get a hand in there to the 723.
Hello, Thunderstick. See you there, Mr. Thunderstick. Sounding good. Thunderstick, Boy Bob is waving a hand there. He said, pass a friendly 5, and he said, morning time, morning time.
Mr. Thunderstick, just want to key down. I'm going to get out of the way. The old channels are hopping there and say good morning here to you. Double deuce. Have a great day.
Yeah, 410.
Hey, you got that 5 seconds. Tell them we're waving, and thank you for the help on the antenna.
We rolled that 5 back to you there, Bob. He said, thanks for the help on the antenna there, buddy. Hey, no doubt about it there, Boy Bob. No doubt, no problem.
It was 714 out there in the Mobile spot. I believe you said it was. I might have the numbers on there. Old Bullet Bob better come in there and kind of got you. But I think it was 714 or something like that out there in the Mobile spot. Just want to say morning. Southern Indiana. I can take care of my friend. We'll do Indiana. I told you that, okay?
Got a key down. Got a key down there.
I hear that on building another one. Well, hope to hear you on it soon, man. As soon as the weather, I guess I don't know if y'all having bad weather out there or not, like we are here in Texas. But anyway, Little Bob, I'm just taking a standby. See if I can hear on 723. I think is what it is. No Name out there in that big bad Mobile, 4PO Mobile. Hey, Little Bob, put it on your later. It's your friend Superman. We're back at quiet listening.
Good morning there, Blue Jill.
Hey, Bullet, I got a question for you. Do you cover your amps with beach towels, or do you cover your amps with Queen 5 head spread?
Hey, Mr. No Name, boy, you sounded good out back here in Southern Indiana. We just want to let you know that. Mr. No Name, Double Deuce, Southern Indiana, let you know.
Hey, right back to you there, Thunderstick. Pleasure's always on this end, my friend. Have a good day.
Hey, so I ain't no...